Well, if you spend even just a little bit of time working outside, you know it is hot out there.
Tom Skilling is here to let us know if there's any relief in sight. Obviously, the city is concerned, Tom, because they're opening those cooling centers.
Yeah, and I'll tell you, it's going to get hotter before it gets cooler, especially the middle and end of next week. We could have temperatures well into the 90s then, with heat indices 100 or more. What's happened here, though, in the last 24 hours is the dew points have actually dropped. You know, when you get that breeze coming off the lake, the air sinks out over the lake. That produces drying. So the dew points that could be up in the low 70s at an air mass like this with an 89-degree temperature and really sultry is kind of only moderately humid. We've got a relative humidity of 36%, but having said that, you walk out of an air-conditioned room, you know there's humidity out there, and if, Jackie, as you say, if you're exerting yourself in any way, exercising, running, doing gardening, or working physically outside, you know it's warm. It's 89 at O'Hare, and if you're inland, it definitely is warm because you get farther west of the city in agricultural territory, and there's a lot of moisture coming off the plants at this time of the year, so it's more humid there. 91 was our high today. The normal high is 84, but what's interesting, note the sunrise and sunset times. Sure, we're past the longest day, but the rate at which days shorten at this point in the summer is very, very small, only a couple seconds a day. Inland heat and humidity is our headline. It lasts through the July 4th weekend. In fact, it's in the picture through next week and even the following weekend and into the week after that. Not until Tuesday will there be organized scattered thunderstorms, and there'll be day-to-day breezes from the east off the lake, just enough to kick up a 0 to 2 foot chop on the lake, highest in the afternoon. And look how little cloud cover there's going to be. It'll be these little cottony cumulus clouds. Note the gray areas on this map. These are all air quality advisories, and they're starting to show up around our metropolitan areas. We have a special issue here in the city in that we have a lake breeze that comes in. Studies have shown that's about 2,000 feet deep, the cool air that comes off the lake. And so that doesn't give the pollutants a lot of room to disperse. And that's why you get these air quality situations more in the summer and up against the lake where these lake breezes come in. But there is a heat advisory in Minneapolis, air quality issues there, also out in the Denver area, and red flag warnings out to the west. Plus heat advisories in Oklahoma and air quality advisories down by Indianapolis, Cincinnati, and Louisville, Kentucky as well. Now the chances of rain are negligible tonight, tomorrow, Sunday, and Monday. You could conceivably pop an isolated thunderstorm somewhere, but it won't be very widespread. It's Tuesday and Wednesday when the chances for some rain start increasing a bit. And look at the temperatures. Every one of the next 5 days will be above average, with a number of mid-90s expected in there. By the lakefront, they'll be mid to upper 80s over the weekend. The surface weather map doesn't move much. There's a big blocking pattern, and we've got a high pressure at the surface sitting here. High pressures don't generate a lot of wind. Look at the predicted wind speeds. They're single-digit velocities tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon. They pick up some near the lake in the afternoons, and then they die down again in the morning hours. That's Sunday morning and Sunday afternoon. But the fact is, the same air mass is just going to sit here, so it's going to get hazier, and we have light winds aloft. The thunderstorm organizing jet stream is way north of us, not expected to affect us at all until it gets a little bit closer on Tuesday. And then beyond that, as we go to Wednesday, Thursday, speed max will come around that jet. And when you get under the nose of those things, the air sinks. So the atmosphere gives a little added jolt to the warming process by compressing the air down here at the surface. You get compressional warming. That's how we may take just the hot air and turn it really hot, intensely so, the middle and end of next week. With 97 forecast around here by Thursday. At the moment, though, this air mass is not producing thunderstorms here. It is down in the St. Louis area, and there's some isolated storms coming southward out of Wisconsin. They're forming right along the Lake Breeze line up there in eastern Wisconsin. But as we animate the satellite, you'll see how the cloud masses, and there were some pretty good tornadic thunderstorms in the plains, how they kind of fall apart, and then the daytime heating gets them to go again a little bit in the afternoon. Fact is, the environment is not real great for thunderstorm development on a large scale, and that'll be the case for the whole holiday weekend. So that's well timed. Warm tonight, moderately humid. Might be a touch of shallow ground fog in a few low-lying areas outside the city. There was this morning as well. Low temperature down to 70. Winds will ease to 2 to 9 miles per hour late tonight. Then tomorrow, sunshine, Cockney fair weather clouds, quite warm, some haze. High 90, low to mid 80s lakeshore. There'll be northeast winds picking up in the afternoon. Then tomorrow night they fade out again. Mainly clear, warm, moderately humid, low down to 70. And Sunday a carbon copy, rubber stamp it. Mainly sunny, hot, moderate humidities, low to mid 80s lakeshore, but 94 inland areas. And the same thing on Monday, a hot, humid day with 95 and just a couple of cumulus clouds. Scattered thunderstorms, though, do come on the scene Tuesday and maybe 1 or 2 Wednesday before we get into that real heat on Thursday, and it could spill over into Friday, though there may be a lake breeze on Friday. And what's interesting, if you were to go beyond that 7-day period, guys, we develop a big hot air dome draped across a good part of the country. So next week, the week after next, looks very hot too. We're in a, this is going to be a hot summer around here. No question about it, hotter than usual. We haven't had one of those in a couple of years. We've had hot spells, but not something that drags on for weeks. Seems different this year. We'll have more on this in the next half hour. But that's